Good morning, Broker Jeff, and happy sunny Thursday. That's what seems to be the forecast moving forward. But let's take a minute to recognize those fallen in 9/11, and for those still dealing with 9/11. Let's get back to the weather. So right now it's 48 degrees. I'm going to call that the low. They said 49 is the low, but it appears 48 is the low. 76 is the high, and no rain and sun. Friday, ditto, ditto, ditto. No rain, sun, a high of 75, and a low of 50. Brittany, what do we have in store this weekend? More sun? Is rain in the forecast? What is going on this weekend? Brittany.
Good morning, Agent Brittany here. This weekend, Saturday, high of 76, a low of 54, partly cloudy. Sunday, pretty much the same, high of 77, low of 54, mostly sun. It is going to be a beautiful, almost fall weekend. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and let us know in the comments below if there's anything going on. I know this is a really good time of year for events and stuff, so let us know what you guys have going on this weekend.